Are you looking for a smarter, faster way to grow a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or spending hours editing? In this video, I'll show you how VidFortune AI is changing the game for creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to earn real income on YouTube. VidFortune AI is an all-in-one platform that uses artificial intelligence to create, rank, and monetize faceless YouTube videos in high CPM niches. That means you can target topics like finance, tech, or health, where advertisers pay much more per view without ever recording your own voice or appearing on camera. Here's how simple it is. First, you pick a profitable niche from VidFortune AI's built-in list. The platform focuses on topics that are proven to earn more per thousand views, so you're not wasting time on low-paying content. Next, the AI writes your script, generates a natural-sounding voiceover, and adds visuals, music, and even call to actions. Everything is done for you in just a few minutes. You don't need any video editing or technical skills. Once your video is ready, VidFortune AI helps you optimize it for YouTube search. That means your videos have a better chance to rank, get found by viewers, and start earning from both ad revenue and affiliate links. What's really impressive is the real-world results. For example, some users have created a single video in under 15 minutes, ranked for a competitive keyword, and earned over $150 from just 800 views, without any subscribers or previous channel history. So, who is VidFortune AI for? It's perfect for beginners, affiliate marketers, entrepreneurs, or anyone who wants to scale up their YouTube presence without the stress of traditional video production. If you want to see how VidFortune AI works or get started, check out the link in the description. You'll also find details about exclusive bonuses available right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on growing your income with smart digital tools.